Have you ever considered how simple yet amazing it is to prepare basic meals at home, where you're in control of the ingredients you use? If you have nerve pain, you might want to reconsider eating out. The convenience of takeout isn't worth the risk of relying on restaurant kitchens to prepare foods or ingredients that won't help your nerve pain. Eating more of these 6 plant-based foods is beneficial to your general health and can ease your nerve discomfort throughout the year. In today's video, let's examine the many reasons plant-based foods should be part of your daily diet and the health benefits they conceal. Let's get started. There is unquestionably an advantage to consuming wholesome, low-inflammatory meals if you experience nerve discomfort. Numerous options exist to help maintain healthy nerves and decrease pain with a plant-based diet. But before diving into the options of selecting the best plant-based foods to soothe your nerve pain, let's understand what this nerve pain is all about. Understanding nerve pain. Pain is the body's way of warning us. For example, when your hand is too close to the stove, the brain receives a pain signal from the nerves, causing you to draw back before you burn yourself. However, if this mechanism isn't functioning correctly, you may have a nerve injury. Damaged nerves may also give false signals, causing you to experience genuine pain frequently without reason. And sometimes, when your nerves are damaged, you may not experience any pain at all, even when you're injured. When a medical problem affects the nerves that transmit sensations to the brain, it results in nerve pain, also known as neuralgia or neuropathic pain. It's a specific form of pain that differs from other types of discomfort in how it feels. Neuropathic pain or nerve pain is pain that happens after a primary injury or illness of the somatosensory nervous system. Many different pathological processes cause this condition, usually described by where it is in the body or what caused it. Most of the conditions and pathophysiological states that cause neuropathic pain are metabolic disorders, like peripheral diabetic neuropathy or PDN, neuropathies caused by viral infections like post-herpetic neuralgia, HIV, or leprosy, autoimmune disorders that affect the central nervous system like multiple sclerosis or Guillain-Barré syndrome, chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathies, and damage to the nervous system caused by trauma. Some people experience pain when doing specific body positions or activities such as walking or standing in line. Your body could become extremely sensitive due to nerve damage. Bed linens loosely wrapped across the body may also cause pain for certain people. It may become more difficult to use your hands due to nerve injury if there's a lack of sensation or numbness in the fingertips. The ability to knit, type, and tie your shoes could become a challenge. The sense of touch is often decreased in people with nerve injuries, making them feel as though they're constantly wearing gloves. Before we get into plant-based foods, if you're looking for a daily multivitamin for men that contains 23 essential vitamins and minerals for good health, Naturello One Daily Vitamin for Men will meet all of your vitamin needs. If you're under 50 and vegan, this product increases your body's natural energy and vitality while also improving the health of your heart, brain, eyes, and immune system. If you're a woman over 50, consider taking Naturello Whole Food Multivitamin for Women 50+, which contains turmeric, boswellia, lutein, lycopene, and other specific herbal combinations to improve joint health, brain health, heart health, and eye health. For more improved absorption and bioavailability, the formula contains activated B vitamins such as methylfolate, B6, P5P, and B12 methylcobalamin, as well as chelated minerals such as selenium and zinc. Now, let's fight nerve pain with these incredible plant-based foods. Fruits and vegetables are widely promoted as healthy foods. The 2020 to 2025 Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommend that Americans incorporate more fruits and vegetables into their diet as part of healthy dietary patterns. Adults should eat about 2 cup equivalents of fruit and 2 to 3 cup equivalents of vegetables per day. Leafy green veggies. All leafy greens have a lot of vitamins that come from nature, but kale, spinach, moringa, and cabbage are known for having more vitamins than most other foods. From these vegetables, you can get a good amount of vitamin A, K, E, C, beta-carotene, folate, B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6, which are helpful in nerve transmission. Green leafy vegetables are a natural way to get minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, calcium, phosphorus, and sodium into your diet. They help you meet your daily mineral needs and make up for mineral deficiencies by giving you the right amount of minerals in every bite. Asparagus, broccoli, and spinach all contain vitamin B, a substance necessary for nerve regrowth and function. Studies indicate that alpha-lipoic acid protects against nerve injury and enhances nerve function, which is in good abundance in spinach, broccoli, and kale. Green leaves are also rich in dietary fiber, which makes you feel full when you eat them. Fiber is also good for your health in many other ways. These leafy greens keep you from eating fats and lipids because they have almost no fat. Fresh fruits. Consume at least one fruit daily to help your nerves recover from potential damage. Antioxidants, which assist in minimizing inflammation and nerve damage, are abundant in fruits and vegetables like berries, melons, peaches, cherries, oranges, and red grapes, among others. In addition, resveratrol, a potent anti-inflammatory molecule, is abundant in grapes, blueberries, and cranberries. Berries are the summer season's most precious fruit, the gems that spark ideas for a wide variety of desserts like pies, parfaits, cobblers, ice cream delicacies, and whipped cream wonders. Plus, the antioxidants in berries are extremely beneficial in warding off illness. In fact, according to one study, you can get the exceptionally high amounts of antioxidants you need for the day from berries. Dietitians will advise you don't stop there, as a balanced diet calls for a wide variety of nutrients from numerous food sources. Apples, a symbol of America, are another source of vitamins and antioxidants. Even though these fruits shrink when dried, their antioxidant content remains high. Zucchini. Zucchini is a summer squash that can grow nearly a meter long. It can be dark or light green, and its hybrid, the golden zucchini, is yellow-orange. Botanically, zucchinis are fruits treated as vegetables and used in savory dishes. Zucchini has an impressive nutritional profile with high levels of potassium, B vitamins, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, all of which have significant health benefits. Zucchini is also an excellent source of vitamin C. It contains a lot of vitamin B6 and some amounts of vitamin A, folate, riboflavin, and thiamine. Manganese, potassium, and trace levels of magnesium and phosphorus are among the minerals found in zucchini. 1 cup of zucchini contains about 25% of your recommended daily vitamin C intake. This water-soluble vitamin supports immune repair cells and slows the aging process. As an antioxidant, vitamin C protects against oxidative stress caused by free radicals produced by the body. It also benefits the health of nerve cells and is found to reduce nerve pain. Additionally, it's a good supply of magnesium, which soothes irritated neurons, and potassium, which supports efficient nerve communication. Sweet potatoes. The purple sweet potato color, or PSPC, is a natural anthocyanin pigment derived from the storage roots of purple sweet potatoes. PSPC has a wide range of biological activities, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. Sweet potatoes contain a lot of vitamin A and C, which protect cells against free radicals. Additionally, sweet potatoes have organic anti-inflammatory elements. According to studies on animals, ingesting purple sweet potato extract causes the inflammation in nerves and brain tissue to decrease. Additionally, a sweet potato's high fiber content prevents blood sugar spikes by causing carbs to burn more slowly. Quinoa. Despite being frequently mistaken for a grain, quinoa is a blooming plant with an edible seed. Quinoa is produced in more than 70 countries and was once a stable crop farmed in the Andes Mountains for the people of Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Potassium is a vital nutrient in quinoa and helps with exemplary nerve signaling. Magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and folate are also abundant in quinoa. Quinoa contains more total minerals than rice, wheat, and other cereals. It contains enough calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc to maintain a balanced human diet. Additionally, this superfood has vitamin B6, iron, fiber, protein, and copper. Magnesium is necessary for the nervous system's nerve conduction and muscle conduction. Avocado. This unusual fruit has a lot of good lipids and a sufficient amount of potassium, which is known to facilitate efficient nerve conduction. Due to their high nutrient density and several purported health benefits, avocados have gained tremendous popularity in the health and wellness industry. As a fruit, avocados provide a rich supply of healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Magnesium, B6, vitamin E, vitamin C, and folate are just some of the minerals that are in abundance in avocados. 1/2 an avocado provides almost 10% of the daily need for potassium. Potassium is a nutrient of public health concern in the United States. Avocados contain vitamin C, B6, and E, all of which help maintain a healthy immune system. 1/2 an avocado contains enough vitamin B6 to help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. B6 deficiency leads to weakened immune function and an increase in the risk of disease. Nerve pain, like any other pain in our bodies, causes a great deal of discomfort and significantly disrupts our daily lives. Let's keep the conversation going with a few more videos on our nervous systems, shall we? Watch 8 foods that improve your nervous system, or 13 best ways to ease diabetic nerve pain. Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both videos to learn about foods that help improve your nervous system and ease nerve pain. Have you altered your diet plan with more fruits and leafy vegetables? Let us know in the comments below.